Alright guys, let's move on to the filter function. So this is very amazing function which is very useful when it comes to Excel. If you are a super user in Excel, like you can utilize this function for many cases. I'm pretty sure that you can save you a lot of time. So in this example also that I get some random data to show the examples. First of all, that I'm going to get the unique agent names over here, so that I can show you how to apply the data validation filter. So I'm going to get the unique agent names, and I'm also going to get the unique months to here. Alright, so here we go. So we can see that unique months are there. So in here, like I'm going to get apply the data validation. So I'm just going to go to the data validation section, and I'm going to pick the list and select the unique agents and click OK. And similarly for the months as well, I'm going to go to the data validation tab, and I'm going to select the list and selecting the data sources like this. Okay, so alright. So if you see over here, like I can now select the data out of the list. So now the real magic comes in. So the filter function works. So let's see how the filter. So this is really amazing, guys. So if you see the filter function, there are 3 parameters. So the number 1 is array. So entire array, I need to get the entire array. So I'm going to select the entire array out of this sample datasets. And there's a function, there's a parameter called include, which is none other than the array that we want to get filter out. So say for example, I'm selecting this sales agent data array. So and include what we need to include. So I need to include only the clear agent name clear. So the third parameter is the optional parameter, that which is if it is empty, I'm just going to type no reports found. Alright, so boom. So if you see over here, like when I get I'm getting the entire data which belongs to agent clear. So yeah, so there is no need to advanced filtering. So just by applying just only the filter function, you are getting all of these data. But in here, like if you see over here, like no records found, when there is no filter is applied, no record found, message found, which is the last function that we have given. So I'm going to type this clear. And also, so if we select the month March, so let's see how it works. So we can apply multiple conditions. So when we are given the, let me write from the scratch. So we can just give multiple conditions. So we need to filter this array, and from this array we need to first filter on the agent. So I'm going to open the bracket, and I'm going to select this array, and I'm going to give it equal sign to this cell, which is the agent, and then close the bracket, and I'm getting the asterisk sign over here. So in order to give the multiple conditions, so we can give multiple conditions by giving the asterisk functions. So and also I'm opening the bracket, and I'm also want to filter on month as well. So that I'm going to select the month, and the month I'm going to hit equal button, equal sign, and I'm going to apply like this. So this is boom. So then I'm going to no report found if there is no reports. So boom, if you see over here, like now I'm getting only the data that which falls in month of March and the agent clear. Cool. So if you want guys to get the sum of the profit or something, so let's say for example I'm going to get the sum of the clear. This is the range that I want to apply, and the criteria is clear, and the sum range is here on the profit. So if we select, so we get the sum as well. So this is how the filter function works. Thank you very much guys.